So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your Pocket, and we have a huge release. Sakana AI has released Fugu. This is a Japanese company, and the best part, this model is beating out Claude Mythos and Fable 5 also. Yes, you heard it right on benchmarks. The model is looking great and it is able to beat out the best of the models, that is Claude, Fable 5 and Mythos both together. Frontier level performance without single vendor dependency. It is majorly an orchestration of multiple LLMs. I would tell you it's not a single model that is working, but yes, these results are crazy. And yes, we are in for a treat. Multi-agent system as a model. So multiple LLMs are working together. It's a group of models that work together to see this. A multi-agent system delivered as one model. Sakana Fugu achieves a superior performance by dynamically coordinating and orchestrating a diverse pool of powerful models. Here you can see that it is a combination of closed and open source model which leads to a combination of Sakana Fugu. And one API to access all, offering superior performance and providing flexibility in agent selection. Now, this is one of the major releases coming from Japan. So, a new player is coming into the market after China and USA and be it Europe also. Now, Japan is also jumping into this bandwagon. Research-driven coordination for multi-agent intelligence. Sakana Fugu is grounded in two ICLR 2026 papers on learned model orchestration, Trinity and the conductor. Here you can see these are two papers, Trinity and the conductor. Unlock multi-agent intelligence through an API. The model has been released into two versions. One is Fugu and Fugu Ultra, both available through an OpenAI compatible API key. Balance performance and latency. Fugu Ultra optimized for performance. Now, this is the most important part, that is the benchmarks that you can see here. On Terminal Bench 2.1, the model is able to beat out Fable 5, as you can see. Fugu Ultra. Similarly, for CAR archive reasoning, also Mythos preview is getting beaten up by Fugu Ultra. GPQ Diamond, still Fugu Ultra is leading the charts, so this can be the best LLM that has been released ever. Live Code Bench also. CTI Realm, Humanities last exam, it's not leading a chart. SW Bench Pro also it's behind. And Science Code also it's behind, but it's one of the first models which is able to beat out Mythos and Fable 5 on any benchmark. As you can see, these are all the benchmark. Again, it quite easily it is able to beat out Opus 4.8 also. The Fugu Ultra model, not the Fugu original version. Qualitative results. As you can see, these examples compare Sakana Fugu model with free frontier baseline, Gemini 3.1 Pro, Opus 4.8 and GPT 5.5 High. And here you can see that these are the results that are coming out for us. What do the users think about Sakana Fugu? Coding and code review. For code review, Fugu Ultra is significantly better than GPT 5.5 as mentioned. Research and autonomy. I was mapping a patent landscape across 20 papers and several patents. Not in 3-4 days of work, Fugu had a full analysis within few hours. And other things also. Now looking at the pricing, it's quite good. Input is $5 and output is $30. It's quite, I think if I remember for Mythos and Fable, the input was 10 and output was 50. So comparatively, I think the rates are quite good. As you can see, this is another page that the team has released, Sakana AI, Sakana Fugu, one model to command them all. As you can see, this is a diagram. Sakana Fugu itself a language model trained to call various LLMs in an agent pool. Beyond bigger model, orchestration models are the next frontier. For the past few years, progress in AI has been driven largely by brute force scale, building giant monolithic models trained on ever larger amount of data. Since our founding, Sakana AI has been guided by core conviction. The most powerful AI systems will not be isolated monoliths. What is Sakana Fugu? It's a multi-agent system that behaves like a single model. You send a request to one endpoint and Fugu decides how to handle it. Fugu and Fugu Ultra are existing. These are the results that we have already seen. What early users are building, if you look, Fugu Ultra and best of ABC models, that was GPT 5.5, Opus 4.8 and Gemini 3.1. It was able to solve the model in 19 turns while the other models took 21 turns. Other things are also shown here. Fugu is able to win at chess games also, trading results also. We are deeply grateful to our users who put Fugu through real demanding work and help us shape what it is today. To use the model, you need to take the API. It's not open sourced yet, and you need to try it out. The model looks great, at least on the benchmarks, but I'm not sure how good the model is. Let's try it out. Let me know in the comment section if you get access to the API key. It's just $20. I will try to get the access and we'll try to cover the model in our upcoming videos. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.